let's talk about how to find the square of 25 to 75. We can pick any number. 43, first example, let's say. Only two steps, that's it. We have a number 25 and a number 50. Difference with 25, that will be 18. And square of the difference with 50. So square, first of all, what is the difference with 50? 7. Its square, 49. That is the square of 43. Simple steps, I'll repeat. 43 square we have to go to know, and this is under 25 to 75. So we are talking about this. Only two steps. One, first of all, find the difference with 25. Write the number as it is, 18. Then find the difference with 50 and square it. Difference with 50 is 7. We have squared this, 49. So this square that should always be in two digits. What I am saying, let's understand with one more example. So let's say I am having some other example. 62, let's say. I have to find the square of 62. So first of all, again two steps. Difference with 25. So their difference will be 37. Write the number as it is. And then difference with 50. 12. It's a square. 144. But I told you that it should be of two digits. So I will place it like this. Now the 7 and 1 will be added. 3, 8. 4 will be the square of 62. In the same way, you can find the square from 25 to 75 of any number with this method only. Okay, now if the square is, first of all, when this square we got was 2 digit, then the square we got was 3 digit. If square is 1 digit, we can take one example for this. Let's say 49. Okay, so 49 square we have to find. First of all, difference with 25, write this as it is. So difference with 25 is 24. Now difference with 50, 1, it's a square, 1. But as I told you, it should be of two digits. So we will write it as 0, 1. And that's the square of 49. You can check this as well. Okay, now that's about a square. Now we'll learn how to find the square of 76 to 125. Now we'll learn how to find the square of a number between 76 to 125. This is also simple, very easy. We can pick some examples. So 104, 96, and let's say 92, 112. Alright, I hope that we will be able to understand all the examples with this only, and we can take one more, 98 as well. Okay, 104. First of all, write the number whose square we have to find, 104. Now check the difference with 100, only 100 this time. In the previous case, when we were going to find out the square of 25 to 75, then we had to find the difference first of all with 50, first of all with 25, then with 50. But in this case, we have to find the difference with 100 only. That's it. So what is the difference with 100? 4. First of all, add this. You get 108, square the difference, 16. That's it. Let's say we have a number 96. Difference with 100. This time it is minus 4. Difference with 100 will be minus 4 this time. So we'll subtract minus 4. It will give us 92. What is the square of 4? Minus 4. Its square will be positive only. That's it. Let's talk about 92. 92 has a difference with 100 as minus 8. Okay, so we are going to just subtract minus 8 in this. We get 84. Now square of minus 8, 64. That's it. Let's talk about 112 then. Difference with 100 is plus 12. And its square is 144. Alright? So, same, first step, add the numbers, you get 124. Now, just put this 144 after this. But now this is 3 digit, so we'll be doing the same thing now. This one will be here and then 44. So, it will be 12544. Okay? And let's say if you get one digit, in this example we are going to get the square will be one digit. So, how we are going to do? 98 has a difference of minus 2 with 100. 96. And then minus 2 square is plus 4. Now this 4 is only one digit, so we are going to write this as 04. So that's how we can find the squares of number 25 to 125 in just one step. Alright, so it's very easy and I hope this you are able to understand this. Now we are going to check what exactly is square root and how to find it. Okay.